Hi guys, I'm back today with another tutorial for you. You're probably wondering why I look like this, but I'm gonna show you how to curl your hair. And I know you don't wanna sit here and watch me curl my whole head, so I did one side, and then I'm gonna show you on this side what to do. And I'm gonna show you the products that I used, the curling iron that I used. So I prepped my hair with 7 seconds detangler. This, after you get out of the shower, shampoo, conditioner, brush out your hair. This is what you're gonna prep your hair with. This has heat protection in it, and it's a good primer. And then I put Lazer straight throughout my hair. This is a good fluid for frizz. So this isn't gonna make your hair heavy and straight. This is just going to get rid of the frizz while still keeping the body in the hair. And then on the ends, I use the Blonda oil just to give a little bit of slip and shine. Also, my ends are pretty crunchy because they're really bleached out, and I could use a haircut, but I don't want to. And I also put this at my roots, expand a root lift. This, you just pull your roots up and spray. All this over on wet hair, but this is great when you blow dry it in to give you a lot of lift up at your root area. Okay, so now that I told you what I prep my hair with, this here curling iron, this is what I'm gonna use to curl my hair. We're selling these on our website. And so I need to figure out how to curl these. These are my bangs that I hate. How many of you have decided you wanted bangs, cut them, and then hated them? That's me. So what you're gonna do is start, the way I like to do it is I like to start from the back, get everything out of the way. So you wanna use a clip or like a hair tie or something. Take your section. Take your iron and curl. And you want to leave a little bit of your end out and then just kind of like pull it out. See, like that. You want to make sure that your sections are not too big. Actually, a good rule of thumb is to have your sections be the size of your curling iron. So like the tip of your curling iron, boom, same size, you're good to go. And you wanna wrap it around like a candy cane and then just kind of like, boop, pull it out. You can even make that noise, boop, when you're done. The whole point of this is to give more of a relaxed look, relaxed curl look. You know, not the typical old school like ringlet curls. This is more of that beachy wave look. And you always want to wrap away from the face. Let it out. Let it out. Let it out. They don't have to be perfect curls. That's not what we're looking for here. Looking for more of a wave, a bump, something not super perfect. There's that piece back here. Sometimes it's hard to see, or you can't see the back at all. So you got to kind of feel for it. Have some faith in the back of your hair that it got curled. Let's see here. That section's too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. It's really important that you don't make your sections too big, because if the section is too thick, the heat is not going to penetrate that section enough, and then your curl is gonna be lazy, or it'll just end up falling out altogether. And then just pull it out like that. How many of you are dying to get your hair done? Lucky for me, I got my hair done right before this. My nails, on the other hand, they're not so lucky. But I will say that this is the cleanest my fingernails have been probably in my whole career, because I haven't colored hair in the last 2 weeks. So I don't have any stains on my fingers, and it's actually pretty cool. Never thought that would happen, ever. Also, while I am doing this, let you guys know we have tank tops and V-neck shirts and hoodies on our website that you could order. They all say Crush with the Crush logo on them. They're super cute. Order some. You'll be the coolest person on your block, or actually probably just the coolest person in your house, since no one's gonna see you for a while. But when you emerge from your house, you can wear it and show everyone how you supported our salon in this downtime, which actually it would really mean a lot to us, and it's actually going to help our salon stay afloat by those purchases and your hair product purchases. Okay, so let me get back here. And just wrap, and again, leave that little piece out and just kind of pull it out like that. There's this piece here. And make sure that you're wrapping it like a candy cane, so each round gets some heat. Oh, we're getting close to these bangs. Oh, these are such a nightmare. Monica, next time I say, cut me bangs, don't listen to me, okay? Thanks. And if you are home right now and you have nothing better to do with your life than cut yourself some bangs, be careful, you might regret it. Okay, so now I gotta fix these front pieces. So if, you know, some of you who have like longer bangs and you're wondering what you can do with them, I think it's kind of dated just to leave them straight, but if you curl it too much, then it's going to look funny. So I'm just going to give it just a little twist and then leave it, because I just want a little bend. I don't want like a huge curl in there. And again, you want to do this away from the face. Not every curl needs to be the exact same. That's really going to give that more organic, natural wave look, even though we all know that we no one's hair is this great naturally. So there. So this side I had already like ran my fingers through before I started. And then this side here, now you can see, you want to let the heat cool off, the curls cool off first, and then you could just run your fingers through it like this. Yeah. You don't really necessarily need to use a brush. And voila, I'm so cute, right? Okay, so to finish this off, I'm going to use a new product that we have. It's called, where is this? Texturizer Finishing Foam. And you're just gonna take a little golf ball size. This is going to give some pieciness and texture to your curls. It's very dry, so this isn't going to re-wet your hair, but you're gonna rub it in your hands real good. And start from the bottom and just scrunch it in. I like to have some texture to my hair. I don't like it to be, you know, really flat. I like it kind of rough and textury. And also too, the more texture you have, you know, the easier it'll hold instead of it just being kind of like fly away. But yeah, here we go. I look cute. And then you can finish it off with a little bit of hairspray. This is our Go 365 hairspray. There's 3 knobs on here that you can, 3 levels. There's light, medium, and high. So you just turn it to what you want. I actually like a medium. And so I'm just gonna spray. And this is actually the way you should be spraying your hairspray. A lot of people like to just shh, and that's actually incorrect way to do it, and you waste a lot of hairspray that way. And there you go. So thank you for watching and helping me actually get dressed today and do my hair and giving me a reason to do this. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to DM, text me, call me. Don't call the salon because we're not here, but you can call your stylist, and anyone can help you with any questions you have about the products we have or anything online. Thank you.